Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Axello Putra, and I want to present my project. The title is Constituency of Syntax. First, introduction to constituency. Constituency is the syntactic structure that shows how words from units, constituents, in a sentence. A constituent is a group of words that function as a single unit. For example, the little boy is crying. The little boy is a constituent noun phrase. And then why constituency matters? It helps understand sentence structure. This is important for parsing, linguistic analysis, grammar construction, and language teaching. Next, types of constituents. A. Noun phrase. For example, the red card, my friend, a book. And B. Verb phrase. For example, is running at the cake and will travel tomorrow. C. Prepositional phrase. For example, in the room with my parents to the store. D. Adjective phrase. For example, very tall, extremely happy. The last is E. Adverb phrase. For example, quite slowly, very quickly. Next, test for constituency. A. Substitution test. Replace a group of words with a single word. The little boy cried. To become he cried. B. Movement test. Move the group to another position. She will meet him tomorrow. To become tomorrow she will meet him. C. Coordination test. Combine two constituents of the same type. She bought a dress and a jacket. D. Stand-alone test. The constituent can stand alone as an answer. What did you see? A black cat. And then I have three diagrams. Example sentence is the girl cooked the egg. The girl. The is determined, girl is noun. We combine to become a noun phrase is the girl. And then cook is verb. The egg is noun phrase. D is determined. Egg is noun. And then constituency versus dependency. Constituency. Constituency is focus on phrase units. Dependency is focus on relations between individual words. Both are used in modern sentence analysis. Next is I have a conclusion. Constituency is a foundational concept in syntax that explains how words group into meaningful structural units by identifying constituents such as noun phrase, verb phrase, and prepositional phrase. We gain clearer insight into how sentences are formed and interpreted. Constituency tests, substitution, movement, coordination, and standalone help confirm phrase boundaries and structural relationships. Understanding constituency is essential for linguistic analysis, grammar construction, parsing, and effective language teaching. And then in part 2, I have a syntax tree diagram analysis. Number 1 is the tall boy is reading a novel in the classroom. The tall boy is determined, adjective, and noun is a noun phrase. Is reading is verb phrase is aux and verb. Noun phrase is a novel, determined, and noun. And then prepositional phrase is in, is preposition. The classroom is determined and noun, so become noun phrase. Number 2 is the teacher teach English. The teacher is determined and noun. Is a noun phrase. Teach is verb, verb phrase. English is noun, noun phrase. Number three is Sarah will visit her grandmother after the final exam. Noun phrase is Sarah is a noun. Verb phrase is will visit, aux and verb. Noun phrase is her grandmother. Her grandmother is determined and noun. Prepositional phrase is after is preposition. And then the noun phrase is the final exam. Is the final exam is determined, adjective, and noun. Number four is the man in the black jacket helped the old woman. Noun phrase is the man, is determined and noun. And then in prepositional phrase is verb. The black jacket is noun phrase, determined, adjective, and noun. Helped is verb phrase. The old woman, noun phrase is determined, adjective, and noun. Number five, they have been studying English for 3 years. They is from noun phrase. Verb phrase is have been studying, is aux and verb. Noun phrase is English, is noun. Prepositional phrase is for, prepositional. And the noun phrase is 3 years, noun and noun. Number six, the girl plays the guitar. The girl is noun phrase, determined and noun. Plays is verb phrase is verb. The guitar is noun phrase, determined and noun. Number seven, the students read a book in the library. The student is determined and noun for noun phrase. Read is verb phrase. A book is noun phrase, determined and noun. In is preposition, prepositional phrase. And the library is noun phrase for determined and noun. Number eight, the teacher gave homework to the class. The teacher is determined and noun. Noun phrase. Gave is verb phrase. Homework is noun phrase. And to is preposition, prepositional phrase. The class is determined and noun phrase. The dog chased the cat. The dog is determined and noun phrase. Chase is verb phrase. The cat is determined and noun phrase. And the last is number 10. My friend bought a new phone yesterday. My friend is determined and noun phrase. Both is verb phrase. And a new phone yesterday is determined, adjective, noun, and adverb. So there is a noun phrase. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.